What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple Steam game accounts in one. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in store.steampower.com, or you can just simply type in Steam. After typing, you will see the first official website of Steam. Click on that website, and after clicking on this website, you will be redirected to this type of dashboard, wherein on the right side at the top, you will see the login option. Click on that login button. And if you already have a Steam account, you will be automatically logged into the Steam homepage. But if you don't have an account, you just need to enter your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Steam account. Now, after creating your own Steam account, on the left side, click on Install Steam and then install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, on the left side, as you can see the Steam icon at the top, click on that and then click on change account. Now from here, this will show you a pop-up that this will allow you to select another Steam account. Your current account will be saved on this computer so that you can switch back to it in the future. Simply check this checkbox and then click on continue. And after that, you will be redirected to your another account that you have logged in or signed in for in the Steam. As in, click on your profile and then click on account details or view. Oh, no, no, no. Click on account details, and then a pop-up window will show like who is playing. So here are your all accounts. At the background, this is my second account, and here this is my first account. So you can just click on add account and then you can add another account. Like you need to just enter the account name or the email and the password, and then you just need to sign in. So then you will be able to access the another account, and then if you want to switch it, you can switch that too. So this is how you can add multiple Steam games uh, or accounts on one computer. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.